How does a nonprofit serve over 40,000 people annually while managing outdated systems and increasing demands? This organization, with a 60-year legacy, faced this exact challenge. Their billing system and data processes were overwhelmed. Manual data entry, delayed insurance verifications, and limited expertise created significant roadblocks. The nonprofit was at a breaking point, struggling to maintain efficiency and continue its life-changing work. Enter PilotFish. This flexible, scalable integration platform provided the nonprofit with a seamless transition to a new billing system. By automating manual tasks, improving data accuracy, and streamlining workflows, PilotFish offered the solution they desperately needed. In just weeks, PilotFish transformed its operations. The nonprofit could now serve vulnerable populations with greater precision and care. The integration platform not only met their immediate needs, but also positioned them for future growth and success. Follow the data through the new workflow that automates the insurance eligibility verification in real time and then sends it to the billing system. Discover how PilotFish helped this nonprofit overcome its data integration challenges. Read the complete case study on our website and learn how PilotFish can power your organization's transformation. Embrace efficiency and precision with PilotFish today.